QuickBooks Pro Plus Desktop 2022 OneNote presentation, homepage overview. Get ready because we bookkeeping pros are moving up the hilltop with QuickBooks Pro Desktop 2022. Here we are in OneNote. If you have access to OneNote, would like to follow along, you're not required to, but if would like to, we're in the icon on the left-hand side when the Topic Introduction tab and the 1080 Homepage Overview tab. Also note, when using OneNote, take a look at the Immersive Reader tool. Our topic introductions will also be in the text area, same name, same number, but with transcripts. Transcripts that can be translated into multiple different languages and either listened to or read in them. Close in the icon. Also note that the topic introductions within OneNote will have the same name and number as a presentation. The topic introductions designed to give a short introduction into the topic, provide screenshots as well as web links when applicable, and overviews of general accounting information that can complement the presentations. Here we're going to look at the homepage overview. So we have a screenshot of the homepage, which includes the whole screenshot of the software open to the homepage. Then we're zooming in underneath that to the homepage. The presentation that will be related to this will then go through in general the flows. This is how you want to think about the general accounting flow. Usually if you're working in a larger company, you might be working, say, in the vendor cycle or the accounts payable cycle, it might be called, or the purchases cycle, or you might be working in customer cycle, which could be called the sales cycle, or the accounts receivable cycle, or in the payroll cycle, or employees cycle. So it's really good to think about the accounting process by cycle, and then you want to focus in on these forms, and then you want to think about how you can set these forms up in such a way to make the data input as easy as possible, and then also be thinking about every time you enter something into the system using these forms, what will be the impact on the financial statements. So that'll be the general topic we'll look at when we go over the full presentation. You can use this as a guide to follow along as you watch through the presentation if you don't have access to the QuickBooks software.